250 years, this company's been in your family. And from slaves and smallpox blankets to softcore porn and semiconductors, it's always made a profit. But with one fell, idiotic swoop, you've ruined it. I'm just glad your murdered parents
My murdered parents wanted me to be happy. And this can make me happy, Stan. Fiscal sales of awesome X dolls.
Who, me?
Actually, a very funny story.
Your girlfriend's lover?
What?
That's all.
What happened was...
Son of a bitch!
Great Scott!
Damn it!
No! Grace!
Mi amor!
Lovely news, lady!
This is Grace Ryan, Force 10 News, dangling helplessly from high atop the Annihilatrix. My microphone now literally a lifeline, because if I fall, I will drop right into what appeared to be drums full of super intelligent, radioactive waste-covered ants.
Oh God, please fall. Took off his robot pants? And what does the manual say about hostile prisoner control? Right up there in section 1. Ronnie? Don't take off robot pants.